Heads up, new severe thunderstorm warning issued for DeKalb County. Heads up, new severe thunderstorm warning issued for DeKalb, Jackson. Severe thunderstorm warning for Cullman, DeKalb, Jackson, Marshall, Morgan. Severe thunderstorm watch for Colbert, Cullman, DeKalb, Franklin, Jackson, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, Lincoln, Madison, Marshall, Morgan. A severe thunderstorm warning is active for this area for DeKalb, Alabama, Jackson, Alabama, Marshall, and Alabama until about 2 p.m. Threats with this storm include large hail and damaging winds around 60 miles per hour. Storm motion is west at about 10 miles per hour. Get inside now. Move away from windows and bring in any outdoor items. Keep yourself safe.